talaga pumunta. Kaya eto ako natatakot.
Pero siloso siya, di ba sabi mo?
Ano siya, yung selosong may dahilan. Yung maiintindihan mo. So, kahit naman siguro kung gumawa siya ng ganito, magsiselos din naman ako. Pero it never comes to a point where it interferes with my work. Palagi niyang,
Sa sexy at bold roles, meron ka bang limitations?
yes, well, una-una walang bold. So, talagang hanggang hanggang showing the back ko lang, hanggang more on sensual, yung mga hawak dito.
What do you mean by bold when you say, hindi ka
Like,
pwede?
Pero may
kita
kiss-
yung body parts.
Walang ganon.
Oo, wala.
Pero may halik dito.
Meron mga halik dito, gano'n. Pero yung to go as far as to show my private parts, I don't think I can. I don't think I
But
can.
did you discuss with Billy the detailed scenes?
Yes, actually, ayoko muna i-discuss sa kanya, pero umupo kami just the other day, tapos sabi niya, I just want to know, kasi syempre makikita natin. Describe mo sa akin, as in specifically, bit by bit. So,
Halik
talagang-
dito, from
Oo,
here, lahat.
dinescribe ko talaga sa kanya lahat, everything in very vivid detail. Para lang, makikita niya din naman or maririnig din niya naman sa iba. So, mas maganda yung manggagaling sa
What was his reaction habang kinikwento mo?
yun, nagtatanong din siya, pero he tried kasi nag-agree kami, sige fine, let's talk about this, pero I'll shot muna my feelings. So, nagtatanong na lang muna siya. So, dito, nagganito ba, nagganon ba? So, umuo, hindi na rin.
Ano ba? Pag may love scenes, hindi ka ba nadadala?
Actually, kasi it's so technical. It's gotten to a point na ang daming blocking, ang daming ganon. Kasi Derek is really so professional. Sobrang thankful talaga ako na yung first kong trabaho na ganito, nakatrabaho si Derek na napaka-experienced sa ganito. So, he was so professional. So, feeling ko talaga nagtatrabaho kami the whole time.
So, madali kang bumitaw sa character after the scene.
Yes. Yes. Yung tipong cut, tapos, ayan, usap na kami about something else. Kasi like I said kanina, bato ako so,
Thank you.
Ayan.
Good luck.
Can you say na Billy doesn't need any assurance naman from you?
I think kasi with the way we are with each other every day, we give each other enough assurance. So, when it comes to work, we know each other so well. So, I mean, alam niya din naman na ako din naman, it's something new for me. And lang siya, parang he's just supporting me all the way. And imposible naman na hindi siya masasaktan, na hindi siya magsiselos. Pero he never lets that get in the way of my work. He never makes it a big deal or a big problem. And sobrang natatouch ako doon because he's really so supportive. Nagpo-post pa siya ng mga pictures and everything without me asking.